Hello, if you wonder how to charge your iPhone 15 Pro Max, we've got like two ways. The first one, the wired with the USB-C cable. So that's the phone, that's the cable from my phone, from my Pixel. And let's try to plug it. And let's see if we can charge with the random cable. As you can see, it is charging right now. So it means that you can use any cable to charge your iPhone, any USB-C cable. And I plug this second end of the cable to my charging brick. And the second end, we've got also this wireless charger. So I'm gonna plug it actually, and let's see if we can charge this phone wireless. Okay, that's weird, it's not charging, but okay, right now it is charging. So I just put it in the wrong position. So you can charge it wireless or wired. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.